Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I went to the Senior Center and taught a jewelry class. Before I show you what the ladies made, I want to show you this really cool quilt. It was hanging in the same room where we were having our class. It's a very eclectic quilt. I hope you zoom in and really study it. On one side, you'll notice there are 12 squares representing each of the 12 months. As you look around the quilt, you'll notice all kinds of fun things. We have flowers with hearts, bird houses, regular houses, leaves, kitty cats. It's really cool. So anyway, let's look and see what the ladies made this month. Last month, they made necklaces with matching earrings. This month, we wanted them to complete their set by making some bracelets. We had them bring their earring and necklace set so they could try to match the bracelet as much as possible. And most of them chose to do a memory wire bracelet. Now, we had a couple of ladies that weren't there last month because I don't know, I think they may have been sick. I know I was sick last month. I didn't get to go. So they were able to not only make the bracelet, but a necklace and earrings. Everybody did a really good job with their jewelry, and we had a lot of fun visiting with each other. Oh, and somebody wore this really cool necklace made of buttons and seed beads. I'd like to try to see if I could figure out how it was done and make me one. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.